So do you remember when this happened?
Oh, smallmouth buffalo.
I thought I was him for real. What I caught next was on a whole different level. I was too busy collecting sticks for the fire, so I had to run and get my GoPro on when this happened. I'm not a huge fan of carp fishing, but when I do hook onto one, they give me a crazy fight.
Yeah, like that. Oh, he's going that way, you gotta go that way.
This is a fat ass carp. It's a smallmouth.
I have no idea how I was supposed to handle this thing.
Oh, nice.
That thing is huge. I have the grippers in me.
The lipper gripper.
They're right there.
So this is my new smallmouth buffalo PB.
Blood to my lips, blood on my hip, rocks in my saw, pocket full of